Oh, there's like freaking chair. God, what is this? Whoa. You probably can't see it. You might be able to hear it. But there's like a creek going through these mountains. Where I'm standing is a, gotta be careful, a sheer drop off. You see the ocean, the town, Kahului, I believe that is, by the airport. Anyway, I'm probably not even halfway, I would think, and it's still very steep. Going to go another 100 yards and turn around probably. I got the best viewpoints anyhow. I think I heard Bigfoot.